With the patio roof riser base plates installed into rafter tails or blocking, we can assemble the post mount hardware to their bases on the roof. Begin by setting the post mount knife blade and post into the base plate. Insert the grade 8 center bolt through the base plate arms and knife blade. Use a level to find the post's exact vertical or plumb position. Once plumb has been found, find the holes that line up and insert the two 3/4 inch steel alloy pins. The pins are designed to allow for a slight amount of play or movement of the hardware before final tightening. This aids in precise alignment to ensure the post is in the exact vertical or plumb position. Using a 15/16 inch socket and wrench, tighten the center bolt. Tighten until the base plate arms compress the knife blade and the bolt cannot be tightened any further. Repeat this process for the remaining post-mount patio roof risers. Remember to confirm the post is in the plumb or exact vertical position after tightening the center bolt. With the patio roof riser post-mount hardware securely installed, we are now ready for our beams.